With the latest iOS 17, Apple has added a new feature called Contact Poster. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a contact poster for one of your contacts, and then how you can create a contact poster for yourself. So when you call your contacts, they see the contact poster or the picture of you which you want to show them. The first thing which we're going to do with regards to contact poster on iOS 17 today is to create a contact poster for one of your contacts. So first of all, we're going to swipe down on the empty space and we're going to search for contacts, and then we're going to open the contacts application. So here it is. This is the contact which I have on my iPhone. Once you select the contact, you will see the option of contact, photo and poster. We're going to select this option. Once I select this option, I will be on this screen. Now herein you have different options. For starters, you can click on camera. It is going to open the camera application and you can take a picture of the person or an object, whatever you want to set as the contact poster. Second one is you can choose any picture from your photo gallery. Third one is you can use any memojis which are available on your iPhone. And then the last one is monogram, which is like pretty bland, but if you tap on this color option, you should be able to change the background color. And if you tap on the text itself, you should be able to change the font, the spacing, the thickness of the font, the color of the font. So all those are customizable. For the purpose of this video, let us go into photos and then let us select any picture. Now do note, I recommend you select a picture which has some depth effect going for it, because if you are already an iPhone user, you've been using iOS 16, you are very familiar with lock screen customizations and the depth effect. This is very similar. So for starters, you can switch between different options which are available. And these three dots on the bottom, you can use them to enable or disable the depth effect. Again, only if the picture allows you to do so. Pinch and zoom also works without any issues, and of course you can use two fingers to move it around. And here it is, you will notice that depth effect is right now working. If I disable it, the head of Master Yoda is behind the text, so I prefer it that way. Then you can also switch between different options, and here it is, this one here, the seamless background. If you tap on this color circle besides the three dot, herein you can again change the color, the intensity of the color. And if you tap on this text, you can again switch between the different fonts, the different colors, intensity of the color. If you tap on the multicolored circle, you can then choose between a grid, a spectrum, a slider. If you want to enter your specific hexadecimal code, all those things you can do over here. And once we are happy with the results, we're going to say done on the top right. It is going to save it. Then it is going to preview the poster for us, and you need to select continue over here and then select continue one more time, and bam, there it is. We have successfully set up an awesome contact poster for my friend Sundar Google over here. And next up, let us go ahead and receive a call from Sundar Google. Bam, there it is. We are getting a call from my friend Sundar Google, and our pretty awesome contact poster on iOS 17 is working like a boss. Now, in case you ever want to edit the contact poster which you have set up for a contact in iOS 17, it is pretty simple. You go into the contacts, you select the contact, and then you can select contact, photo and poster. Herein you will get the option of customize, select poster option, and we are back to the same screen where we had set up this contact poster. And from herein you should be able to make the changes which you want to this contact poster for this specific contact. Once you're happy with the results, tap on continue and continue one more time. And now when we get another call from Sundar Google, the contact poster would be the updated one. Now for our second method, we are going to customize my personal contact card and how it is going to look when I call someone who already has iOS 17. So we're going to customize it for the phone on the right, which is your iPhone 12 mini running iOS 17. So to set up a contact poster for myself, which will appear when I call other people who are running iOS 17, we will again go to the contacts application. Then you need to go into your own contact. So your name might show up over here, or it might say my card. We're going to select this. Then contact photo and poster. This needs to be set to contacts only, and it is asking me share your name and photo with friends. So we're going to say continue over here. In case when you tap on this contact photos and poster, you do not get the option to create your contact poster, then on the top right you have the edit option. Select this option, and now if I select add photo, I have the option of choosing my own poster. And we are back to the same screen. So let us go into photos. This time around, let me choose a picture of BB8, and then all I am going to do is say done on the top right, select continue on the next screen and select continue one more time. And here it is asking me name and photo sharing. Make sure this is enabled. The name is set as me, and as for share automatically, that is selected as contacts only. We are going to say done over here. Now another pro tip over here is if this option of contact photo and poster is grayed out, then do note you do need to be signed into your Apple ID. And then the other thing you can do is you can always go into settings, and once you're in settings, if you go into messages, herein make sure that share name and photo, you can choose this option. And see, we're back to the same screen where we were at the end when we had set up our contact poster. So enable name and photo sharing, and you should be good to go. And here it is, peeps. Let us try to call Tim Apple and see what happens. So here it is. Tim Apple is calling Pichai Google, the iPhone 12 mini, and the contact poster which is coming on my iPhone 14 Pro is the one which we just created on this iPhone 12 mini. And of course, another pro tip over here is that if on your device, so this here is the iPhone 14 Pro, right? I go to this contact which is Pichai Google. Now, Pichai Google has set up his own contact poster on the iPhone 12 mini, but I can override that. If you go into the contact, you will see this option which says contact photo and poster shared by Pichai. If you tap on this, you will get two options. Either you can use the latest photo. So if you choose the latest photo, this is the one which has been set by the contact or the other person. If you choose custom photo, then this is the contact poster which you have created for this person on your iPhone. And there it is, peeps. That is all there is to know about the latest awesome feature of iOS 17, which is contact posters. And of course, if you do have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments on this video, and I will try to answer them to the best of my ability.